Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I want to speak about the Cherera and Chebukati issue. Now I saw some TV stations bring about some professors arguing that the mathematics that 0.01% is not equal to 142,000 votes, and I want to dispute that. I don't even understand how a professor can miss that simple sum, and I just want to caution Kenyans that maybe it's high time that you stopped putting your mind to a specific place that you can't think of any other option that a sum can bring another answer. So as I was saying, as we know, 100% is a whole number, and any whole number, if you divide by itself, should give you a 1. So 100%, which means that 100% is 100 divided by 100, which gives you 1. So anything divided by itself should result to 1, and that would be a unit, not as per se. You would say 100 divided by 100, which is in percentage, would give you a 1 whole number, which would not have an SI unit. So don't be hardwired that 0.01 is something like 1,420. It's not that way. It's 142,000. Now, let's take for example 100%. It is in terms of hundreds. If we go back to simple mathematics, 100 is in terms of hundreds, and if you have 10, it is in terms of tens, and 1 is in terms of ones. So meaning that 100 divided by 100 is 1, which is a unit, if you divide the percentage, which is 100%. Now, percent being the denominator. For example, if you say you get a sum of 20% in your paper, if you're given a paper, questions, and then you answer, and then you get 20%, it will result to 20 over 100, which will be a fifth. That is what we'll get. And if you turn that a fifth into decimal points, what would it be? Simple mathematics. So if you get 50 over 100, which is, you've done a quiz and then you've gotten 50 over 100, which will be a half, which will be 0.5, or 5 over 10, or 50 over 100, or 1 over 2, which is a half, 0.5. Therefore, I think Cherera was not wrong if she said that there was an error margin of 142,000 votes, which she equated to 0.01. Now, take my example. You forgot about decimal points. People are thinking about percentage as a number, and yet you can convert that percentage, which is a fraction, into a decimal point. So 1% of 14,200,000 votes would be 142,000 votes. Now 1% would equate to 1 over 100, which when you divide to decimal points will be 0.01. So I don't know why people are making a fuss about anything that she did it wrong, she doesn't know mathematics. So I think professors in our country are overrated. If a simple professor cannot do that mathematics, then what is he or she teaching in the campus? Because to me it's simple mathematics. 1 over 100 is 0.01, which is 1%. So maybe where Cherera did it wrong is saying that it was 0.01%. It should not be 0.01%. It should be 0.01 of the votes that were tallied is what gives us 142,000. And I have come to realize that people don't understand simple mathematics. They want hard mathematics, then they give you the wrong answers. That's all for me, guys. And I think this will be so easy. Think about it.